Hello all, welcome to my tutorial. Today I am going to explain about head element. Okay, head element contains a title, meta information, CSS and JavaScript. Title and meta information will useful in the SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Okay, if you search something in the Google, let's say you go here and search some keyword. Okay, you will get some results here. ClickBuzz, Wikipedia, all these top websites are coming in the search results. So how these websites are coming in the search results? Based on the these keywords, it will come title, meta information, CSS and JavaScript. So we should write better title, keywords, description. Okay, let's see one by one how we can write good this meta information and titles. Okay, let's see. Go here and let's start with a new HTML5 dark type. Head, sorry, HTML is the root element. Inside that two sections will be there. One is head section. First of all we'll see body part, then we'll come to head section. Inside body, let's write some heading. Let's say head element. Let's save it and let's run in the browser. Okay, it's coming, right? So now let's go to head section and let's write one by one. First one is the title. Title we can say HTML head element. Okay, let's save it and see how where it will come. So here title will come, title of the web page. So apart from the title, let's see how we can write this meta information, title, keywords and description. Okay, so those will useful in the SEO. You can write using the meta element inside head section. Let's use meta element. Let's close it. This meta information having two attributes. One is name. This is related to name is you can write keywords. And what is the content? Content attribute will explain about what keywords are there in our web page. Let's say HTML, some CSS, some JavaScript, and some more, whatever keywords our web page contains, you can write in the content section. Okay, it's about currently we are telling about title. You can say meta info. So some basics, you can say some basics of basics. Okay, so like this, some keywords you can write, whatever our web page having some keywords, you can write a list of the keywords, comma separated one you can write here. Okay, similar way, this is about keywords. You can write some description also. You can write a description. You can write some HTML basics. You can say some proper sentence. This web page will explain about HTML basics and head element. Okay, this is about description. This web page, what for what purpose we created this web page, what it will explain. We can write the inside content attribute. Similar way we have author also. Here one more meta tag is there, author, who written this web page. So you can say some author name here. Whoever writing, they can write their own name here. Okay, so these three are the meta tags. One is keywords, what keywords contain our web page, what description are there our web page, who is the author of the this web page. This is about meta information. Next, CSS part, how we will write CSS part in head tag. Till now how we are seeing here, we are writing here that CSS part, let's say color red, like this we are giving, but you can give in the head section also the CSS part. Let's say style, using style element you will write the CSS part. H1 background, let's say you want to give some background color orange. So like this you can write. If you want to write one more property, font size 40px, okay, like this. This is the inline style, this is the internal style. I will tell you about CSS part briefly in the CSS sections. Okay, for now you can remember, you can write CSS also inside head element. Okay, let's save it and run in the browser. See now that background color and colors also working, font size also. Okay, this is about styling part. You can write some JavaScript part also inside head section. You can write JavaScript using script element. Inside script element, let's say I want to show some alert. Alert means some pop-up will come with some content. Let's say hello, welcome. Okay, let's save it and see. See here alert came. So yeah, like that you can write the JavaScript also. So this is about head element. One is title, meta information, style and JavaScript. So yeah, that, thank you so much.